Hello everybody, I really hope you're enjoying your day. Now, it's still sunny here. I don't know what it's like where you live, but it's still sunny. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about, this is my bird and budgie talk. Right, Sammy? Is, can birds and budgies get bored? Oh yes, they can. Budgies do get bored. They require attention. Your attention. Yes, I'm nodding my head. Your attention, yes, they do. They always want constant attention. That's 3 times I've said attention because yes, they do, don't you? They want to play constantly. As I said in a previous video, budgies have the mind of a 5-year-old. That's right, isn't it? So basically, they're just inside the mind is a kid, a child wanting to explore, have fun, be played with. There's only the odd times when my bird, my Sammy, doesn't want this. And this can be because she's either going through a molt or something else. Birds love music. And birds love hearing the sound of other birds. So no, it's not cruel to put, say, YouTube on and they hear other birds, budgies, singing, talking, chattering, because that's what Sammy is. She's a bird. And when my window's open and she can hear the birds outside, she joins in. Because birds like to hear other birds. It's their identity, it's who they are. I mean, can you imagine us as humans not hearing another voice? So it's just the same for birds. Just quite enjoying this swinging at the moment. But they love to play and they love being curious. Anything different. See, she's fanning her tail because she's enjoying it. When you go up to a budgie and it's your budgie, they start fanning the tail because they're pleased to see you. Budgies don't like being alone all the time. You like the attention, don't you? Don't you? You like the attention. They like playing with the toys. They like flying around. Because it's part of who they are. And budgies are cleverer than what you think. And that goes for any birds. They are clever and they know, don't you? You know when something's wrong. Don't you? You like being different. Like everything different. Don't you? See, I've just put my hand up there and she'll probably walk across it because she knows it's safe. She knows it's safe, don't you? And I'm not going to grab you. Don't you? You know it's safe. Oh, what's all this? 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 They love to play. Whether it's new tricks, anything different, they love. So I think I'll leave that for now, but you get the idea of what I'm saying. She's just so happy being swung like this. See, she's hanging upside down, just like a bat. Did you know budgies sometimes hang upside down to sleep? So I'm definitely leaving it there now. Up she goes because it's stopped. She knows. You stop it and she comes up to see what's going on. So I'll just put you back on there. Good girl. Now that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the previous videos that I have shown today and in the past. Please check out all my other content and videos as you may enjoy them. And if you feel I deserve a thumbs up and a subscription, then please do this, as it does mean so much. It really does. From the bottom of my heart, it really does mean so much. Thank you to my current subscribers, as you are all amazing, and thank you to my hopefully future subscribers, as you will all be amazing also. So that's it from me and Sammy for today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and night and the rest of your weekend. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then on Monday for my general chit chat in the morning and for lunchtime with me. So until then, from me and Sammy, thank you so much, and